So, you're floating in space, just minding your own business. Maybe fixing a satellite, taking selfies with Earth in the background, or waving at aliens who, shocker, still haven't RSVP'd. Then suddenly, there it is. A black hole. Yep, the ultimate cosmic vacuum cleaner. But make it terrifying. No, this isn't the start of a sci-fi movie starring Bruce Willis and a talking robot dog. This is real cosmic horror. Welcome to space's deadliest trap. Let's start with the basics. What even is a black hole? Okay, picture this. You take something like our sun. Big, warm, perfect for beach days. Now imagine crushing it into a ball the size of Manhattan. That's a black hole. All that mass? Same. But packed into a space so dense that it bends space-time around it like it's made of rubber, and gravity off the charts. Like nothing, not even light, can escape levels of gravity. It's the universe's version of a no-exit sign, lit up in neon and surrounded by the screams of physics professors. This is where the term event horizon comes in. Think of it like the edge of a blender that only blends inward. Once you cross it, you're toast. Or rather, spaghetti. But we'll get there. What happens if you get too close? Let's say you're just out for a spacewalk. Maybe you're inspecting a satellite or pretending to be Sandra Bullock. Then boom, the black hole's got you. First, it's not like falling into a ditch. There's no dramatic plummet. Instead, gravity starts stretching you out. Feet first? Great. The gravity at your feet is stronger than the gravity at your head. Result? Spaghettification. Yes, that's a real scientific term. Someone at NASA looked at this cosmic horror show and said, spaghetti. Your body gets stretched into a long, thin noodle. Muscles, bones, ego, all turned into interstellar linguine. Delicious. But wait. Could you survive? Technically, maybe. Depends on the type of black hole. If it's a stellar mass black hole, formed from a collapsed star, you're a goner in seconds. Instant spaghetti, microwave edition. But a supermassive black hole, like the one chilling at the center of our Milky Way, you might not even notice when you cross the event horizon. Time gets weird. Physics starts to break. Your clock keeps ticking normally. But from the outside, it looks like you've frozen in place. Romantic, right? Forever posing dramatically at the edge of death. What's inside the black hole? Ah, the big question. The answer? That's right. We don't actually know. Some say you hit a singularity, a point of infinite density and zero volume, where all known physics just quits. Others believe in quantum fuzz, or even that you emerge somewhere else in the universe through a wormhole, like space's back door. And then there's the theory where you just cease. No rebirth, no cosmic journey, just game over, man. Fun. How time works near a black hole. Okay, time for a brain twister. The closer you get to a black hole, the slower time moves. From the perspective of an outside observer. To you, time feels normal. To everyone watching from afar, you're stuck in slow-mo. So technically, you're immortal, as long as no one's trying to rescue you. But no one's trying to rescue you. Can we ever escape one? Short answer, LOL. No. Long answer, still no. Once you pass the event horizon, all paths lead in. Not even light can escape. So unless you've invented a way to go faster than the speed of light, and also to violate causality, And also to not disintegrate into subatomic nonsense. Nope. No escape. This is not a haunted house where you yell, "I want out," and someone opens a door. This is the universe's unsubscribe button. Hawking radiation. Hope or hype? Now here's a glimmer of maybe. Physicist Stephen Hawking, you know, the smart guy who made black holes cool, theorized that they aren't entirely black. Thanks to something called Hawking radiation, black holes might slowly evaporate over time. Very slowly. Like longer than the universe exists slowly. So technically, if you had infinite patience, a black hole would vanish. Eventually. You'd still be inside, of course. Not much of a rescue plan. How big can they get? Black holes come in many sizes. Stellar black holes equals a few times the mass of the sun. Intermediate black holes equals hundreds or thousands of solar masses. Supermassive black holes equals millions or even billions of suns. Some are so big, they warp entire galaxies. There's even speculation about primordial black holes, possibly formed right after the Big Bang. These would be teeny tiny, some the size of atoms, but still pack a punch. Moral of the story? The universe has black holes in all shapes and flavors, a real celestial buffet. So, should we be worried? If you're planning to vacation near Sagittarius, a star, that's the Milky Way's black hole. Maybe. Otherwise, you're good. Black holes don't roam around like cosmic serial killers. They're not out here hunting planets or swallowing spaceships. Unless you really mess up your space GPS, you're safe. But still, don't tempt fate. Are they evil? Let's get this straight. Black holes aren't villains. They're not malicious. They're just doing their job. Their job is to collapse reality inwards and ignore your screams. Think of them like space accountants. Cold, efficient, absolutely no sense of humor. Philosophical thought of the day. Black holes force us to confront the limits of our understanding. They break physics, they break our brains, and they remind us that even the most advanced science still has a big old question mark in the middle of the map. They are beautiful, terrifying, and completely indifferent to us, which is kind of the universe's whole vibe. Final thoughts. If you ever find yourself drifting toward a black hole, don't panic. Don't wave at it. Don't try to throw your snacks at it. Just accept your fate. And remember, if you're lucky and it's a supermassive black hole, you'll go out in style, stretched into cosmic spaghetti while the universe silently watches. So poetic. Closing line. Thanks for floating through the abyss with me. Smash that like button before the black hole eats it. Subscribe for more space weirdness, unless you're currently inside a singularity. Then, good luck syncing Wi-Fi.